No, I feel Donald Trump would be better. Kamala Harris is she's a very bold woman.
इसमें डेमोक्रेटिक को लेकर के जितना डिफेंसेस कैमला हैरिस हैं उतना डिफेंसेस ट्रंप नहीं दिख रहे।
I don't see any difference between scripts of Rahul Gandhi and Kamala Harris. In present time, democratic India for Kamala Harris is better there. By Indian by birth, and she will favor India in various policies.
In the perspective of India, my view is Donald Trump is better.
Trump has been good for India. While Trump was there, we had good relations with US.
Well, I think both of them would do a great job for India also.
Only difference is left. I want Kamala Harris to say that we will do a caste census.
It is said that ballot is stronger than the bullet. Because when we exercise the right to vote, we not only choose our leaders, we choose our future. And in 3 months, Americans are going to elect their leader. It's a tough fight between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris. But in this global interconnected world that we live in today, every election has an impact on another country. So we at India Today Global went around the streets of Delhi and asked people that who do you think is going to be better for India? Kamala Harris or Donald Trump?
No, I feel Donald Trump would be better, as I don't see any difference between scripts of Rahul Gandhi and Kamala Harris. Only difference is left. I want Kamala Harris to say that we will do a caste census.
बेटर तो कमला हैरिस ही रहेगी, क्योंकि अभी जो पूरा देश के अंदर जो देख रहा हूँ या दुनिया के अंदर जो देख रहा हूँ, इसमें डेमोक्रेटिक को लेकर के जितना डिफेंसेस कैमला हैरिस हैं उतना डिफेंसेस ट्रंप नहीं दिख रहे हैं। क्योंकि पिछले चुनाव में जो मैंने उनका सारा सिनेरियो देखा कि इतने बड़े डेमोक्रेसी कंट्री के प्रेसिडेंट होने के बाद जिस प्रकार से एग्रेसिव हुए, बाद में जिस तरह से एक इतने बड़े संस्था के ऊपर लोग जमा होकर के अटैक किया, वो सारे के अगेंस्ट में तो लगता है कि हैरिस बेटर होगी। और हमारे जहाँ तक संबंध हैं उसमें हैरिस की माताजी इंडिया से बिलोंग करती है, तो ऑब्वियसली हमारे लिए तो बेहतर कमला हैरिस ही होगी।
Talking about the scenario that is prevalent today, I think Kamala Harris would be a good leader, taking India into account, because we have already seen Donald Trump in a regime in US, and taking his regime, I think he is somewhere an autocratic leader which keeps America first and interest of the world secondary.
जो आज का सिनेरियो वर्ल्ड का, क्योंकि दुनिया जो है जब से चाइना अमेरिका अपने आप को विश्व शक्ति के रूप में दर्शाने का प्रयास में है, तो हमें ये लगता है क्योंकि बहुत सारे चाइना जैसे अपना सीपेक लाया और इधर दक्षिण एशिया से लेके अपना यूरोप तक पैर पसार रहा है, तो कमला हैरिस से बेहतर तो डोनाल्ड ट्रंप है। क्योंकि डोनाल्ड ट्रंप जो है, क्योंकि उनकी जो नीति है वो खास करके चाइना को टारगेट करते हैं, और चाइना क्योंकि हमारे इंडिया का भी कहीं ना कहीं पीछे पड़ा रहता है।
I think Kamala Harris is she's a very bold woman, and as we have seen, Britain has a Indian origin vice president, Rishi Sunak. So whole it has celebrated his victory, and I think Britain at that time having a soft corner towards India. So if Kamala Harris, she is also an Indian origin, she would certainly having some soft corner for India. Trump has been good for India. While Trump was there, we had good relations with US. In present time, democratic India for Kamala Harris is better there.
Why do you think so?
Because Kamala Harris is belong in India. I think so, Kamala Harris, because Kamala Harris is by Indian by birth, and she will favor India in various policies, or maybe she might be helpful in various terms to India, like foreign relations and policies. So I think so, Kamala.
In the perspective of India, my view is Donald Trump is better, because in Afghanistan or many places like China is very dangerous for India. So Donald Trump is very supportive for India, especially China or Afghanistan.
Kamala Harris is Indian origin woman, so मुझे ये लगता है कि कमला हैरिस वुड बी बेटर ऑप्शन फॉर इंडिया। बट अगर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का प्रीवियस टेन्योर देखें तो उन्होंने इंडिया के लिए काफ़ी कुछ किया है, जो हम लोग के बिजनेस में डिफरेंसेस आ रहे हैं उसको छोड़ के, क्योंकि उन्होंने टैक्सेस इंडिया के ऊपर भी इम्पोज किए थे और चाइना के ऊपर भी इम्पोज किए थे। तो बाकी अगर रीजनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा जाए, सिक्योरिटी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा जाए, तो डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने अपनी प्रीवियस टेन्योर में बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट थे। चाइना के लिए भी उनका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्लियर था, नॉर्थ कोरिया के से भी उन्होंने जो डिस्प्यूट था उसको भी रिजॉल्व करने की कोशिश की थी, और पाकिस्तान को भी इन्होंने एलिमिनेट किया मतलब एलिमिनेट किया था.
Like feeling like what I feel between the Republicans and Democrats, I think Donald Trump will be the better choice or better president for the India because keeping in mind the strategic interest of India in the recent times, Donald Trump will be the better choice. Republicans as Democrats are being critical of India for not taking stand with the West on the Israel-Palestine issue and on the Russia and Ukraine war.
Well, I think both of them would do a great job for India also. At the same time, USA and India both have a very good relationship, so I don't think so that this will gonna have a major impact on the Indian economy.
I think, according to me, Kamala Harris is better for India.
According to me, it's Kamala Harris because since the situation in India right now, so I think she will be better for India.
I also think that Kamala Harris.
So you just heard the people of Delhi on the question of who do you think is going to be better for India, Kamala Harris or Donald Trump? So when it came to the question of more predictable, more stable decisions, electing a woman president, they say it's Kamala Harris. But when it came to the question of Russia-Ukraine war, Israel-Hamas war, tackling China, North Korea, they said that Donald Trump is going to be a better choice for India. Well, who will actually become the US president? Only time can tell, and we'll get to your answer in November. Till then, stay tuned to India Today Global for more such updates.